Hi everyone. I hope you guys are doing great with your preparation. Now we are almost down to 1 or 2 weeks away from the D-Day. So I would share some of my examination tips for acing the quant session. Devising a strategy is very important for me. I always used to follow certain kind of pattern, like segregating the time limit into two halves. So basically, I start from the question one, and I tend to reach the last question within the half of the time limit. So I do some kind of prioritizing and strategizing the questions what I need to pick and solve. So whether that concept and the question is doable within the 1.5 minutes or max to max 2 minutes, I try to solve that question. Whether if I'm not able to solve within the 1.5 or 2 minutes, I try to skip that question at that moment, because I will come to that question again in the second round, like at the during the second half of the time limit. So doing this, I make sure I may not miss the easy ones, so from going to first question to last question. And during the next half of the uh, time limit, I get the ample time to solve the difficult ones. So easy questions, and after I try to solve medium. So at last, if I get the ample time, I try to solve the difficult. So basically last year the pattern changed, and it's 40 minutes for every section. So within the first 20 minutes, I try to solve 12 to 13 easy ones. After that, remaining 20 minutes, I try to solve 7 to 8 like medium and difficult ones. So that's a significant number, like attempting 21 and 22 with accuracy of 95 to 96%. Yeah, that fetches you the good marks. And guys, you need to remember one thing, because every question fetches you the equal number of marks. So don't try to get emotional at that moment and take it to the ego, uh, because don't get stuck at one question. You can solve that question after the examination, so if you want to, because if it's tough, so it is tough for everyone. Like, do some pragmatic ways to improve and maximize your score. So that's all about the CAT, like acing the CAT exam. And yeah, day before CAT, you just stay calm and don't do anything like doing anything new or better. Just revising and going through your formulae and shortcuts what you have written down while practicing and giving the marks. And guys, yeah, most of you would have cracked your own strategy during the mocks. You need to realize that we all are different. So what works for me doesn't work for you, or which works for you doesn't work for everyone. So uh, yeah, you need to try and figure out what works for you the best. Yeah, stay calm and try to hold your shape under the pump. Don't fumble. That's what the cat actually tries to test you. Yeah, all the best, guys. I hope you guys land at your dream B school. Thank you.